Hello, my dear friends and family members. This is Nagusir. Welcome to my channel. Some of our friends has called me to know the names of the inventors of the symbols. We know in the mathematics we have four fundamental operations. Those are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. To denote addition, we have plus symbol, subtraction minus symbol, multiplication into symbol, and division with divided by symbol. We have those symbols, and they wanted to know the names of those symbols. Today I want to give the inventors names of these plus symbols. Okay, welcome. Here we have symbols and the inventors names. Okay, symbol plus as invented by Orisme in 1369. Symbol minus was invented by Widman in 1489, and the symbol into invented by Odred in early 1600s, and the division symbol divided by was invented by Rahan, R-A-H-N, Ran, okay, Johannes Ron, in 1659. So these are the names of the inventors. Now I am going to explain the background mechanism of these symbols. Okay, my dear friends, before going to explain that, I want to give a clarification about it, that this background action, the background mechanism explanation is complete my own theorem. It is completely my own theory and completely is my own logic. It is constructed on my own logical thinking. Okay, I tried to get the information of the background mechanism of these symbols. I went to read so many books, but I didn't find any reason. So I completely with my own logic thinking, I constructed an idea, I developed an idea to reveal the secret of the background mechanism. So this is my complete, my own idea and my complete, my own logic. Okay, my dear friends, got it? Is my own logic. Just with this background, with the knowing the information of the background mechanism, it is better to understand, and it will help us to get the correct knowledge and to get much and more important knowledge to understand these operations. Okay, my dear friends, let's go there. Right. First, we have a symbol plus. Actually, this plus symbol was taken from this symbol ET. ET means and. Okay. Here we can find the plus symbol. Just observe this one, and we can find a plus symbol here. So Mr. Orisme has taken this plus symbol from this ET symbol. Actually, it means and. So what is the main gist of this plus symbol? Plus symbol indicates that and means I have something and you have something. We both get these two things and make this as like one thing. So here we can observe I have something and you have something, and we both together get and make these two things as one thing. One thing. So this is, I think, that this may be the background mechanism of this plus. Clear? Plus indicates that I have something and you have something. We both get together and make these two things as one thing. So this indicates the symbol plus. Clear, my dear friends? This is my own logic. Don't confuse. Okay, my dear friends? Now I am going to move the minus symbol. Actually, what is this minus symbol? Actually, minus symbol indicates the subtraction. Subtraction is nothing but a complete opposite operation of addition. Clear? Okay. So, if you observe this plus symbol, this is nothing but an opposite symbol to this plus. How? Let me explain. What is this? Not equal to. Okay. This is not equal to. to represent equal to, what we do? We better to do that one. Just simply rub this cross line on the is equal to, then we can get a is equal to symbol. As like as that, as same as that, if you rub this line in the plus symbol, if you rub this symbol, then we can get a minus symbol. Okay, my dear friends. This is completely my own thought, my dear friends. Don't confuse it. So it might be happened. What is that? This plus symbol is nothing but anti-symbol of minus symbol. This minus symbol is nothing but an opposite symbol of this plus symbol. So these both are opposite to one another. Clear? As like as addition is nothing but opposite to subtraction, and subtraction is nothing but opposite to addition. That's why the symbols also opposite to one another. Clear? Okay, let's move to know the information about the multiplication. Okay, to represent multiplication, we have a symbol. What is that? Into. Okay, how did he get this symbol? Actually, it might be happened. I think, and I thought that this may be happened. This might be happened like that. Okay, come on. Actually, if you observe this plus symbol and into symbol, you can find some similarities between this plus and into. What are those? If you observe this one, this into symbol is not far from this plus symbol. If you just rotate this plus symbol, this is 45 degrees. Okay, I think. If you rotate this plus symbol into like this, just rotate this plus symbol into 45 degrees, then we can get a into symbol. Am I correct? Thank you. So this into symbol might be taken from this plus symbol. Maybe. Okay. Come here. There is a similarity between this plus and into. Okay. Now my question is there any relation between this addition and multiplication? Is there any relation between this addition and multiplication? Yes, this is very important question to understand what is the multiplication. Do you know what is the multiplication? Okay, maybe. Okay, let me explain that. Multiplication is nothing but what is the, do you know the definition of multiplication? It's very important. In so many examinations, they asked for the what is the multiplication? Okay, multiplication is nothing but the repeated addition. My dear friends, it's very important. Repeated addition is called multiplication. Let me give an example for that. Here we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, what is this? This is an addition. Why? Because here we have plus symbol, and what is this? This is also an addition. Why? Because it is also have plus symbols. Now this addition and this addition, are these two equal? Is there any difference? Yes, there is a difference. What is that? Here we can observe only a single number, only a number is going to repeat so many times. Here so many numbers are coming here, and there is no repetition. So this is a different addition from this one. This is different. Okay, what is the difference? In this addition, we can find only one number. A number is going to repeat and is going to add some more times. Only a single number. Understand? Okay, it is very important to understand what is multiplication. Okay, my dear friends. Right. Here I want to ask a question. That if this 2 repeat is going to repeat 100 times, is it possible to write it on the board? No, it is not possible. Why? Because 100 times we have to write 2. It is not possible. So this type of notations we have to represent very easily how it is possible. The mathematicians thought further that this type of notations, how to represent this type of notations in a simple manner. Mr. Outred, who invented into, just he thought that how many 2's are there? It's 4 2's. Okay, 4 2's. He wanted to put a symbol that it is nothing but 4 2's. So he tried to get the correct symbol. Just observe this one. This is nothing but an addition, but it is repeated addition. So he might be slightly changed this plus symbol into 45 degrees angle, then he get the symbol as into. It might be happened, my dear friends. Just I imagined it. I guessed it. Okay, could you understand? So this into symbol might be extracted from plus symbol. Clear? As like as plus and into have a similarity, as like as that addition and multiplication has a relation. What is that relation? Repeated addition is called multiplication. It's very important. That's why the plus and into symbols have some similarities. Clear? Okay, let's move for the last symbol. What is that? Divided by. Okay, what is the division? Do you know the definition of division? It's very important to know the division definition. Why? Because if you know the definition, then you can understand very easily and very better understand about the division. Okay, let me give an example. Here I have 6 mangoes, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And you have to share these 6 mangoes to the 2 children. Here I have 6 mangoes and I have to share these 6 mangoes to these 2 children. What shall I do first? Okay, first I want to represent this notation in the number line, number manner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 mangoes I have, and I have to share these 6 mangoes to the 2 children. Okay, equal sharing. Here it is very important, equal sharing. So I have to put a symbol between these 2 numbers that represent equal sharing. Okay, I don't know the symbol. I don't know about the divided by. Okay, what shall I do? Okay, before going to represent a symbol, I want to do this mathematics, do this problem. Okay, here I have 6 mangoes. First, I want to subtract 2 mangoes from this and share these 2 mangoes to the children. Easy. One is to him and another one it is to him. Okay. Again, I have 4 mangoes. So I subtract 2 mangoes and one it is to him, one it is to him. Share. I'm going to share. Okay. Now again I have 2 mangoes and share these 2 mangoes to the children. In the first step, I have 2 mangoes, and here he got 1 and he got 1. Here also 1, 1, and here also 1, 1. So totally he got, the first person got 3 mangoes and the second person got 3 mangoes. Actual process is like that. That is the actual process. Okay, my dear friends. Okay. What I have done here, clearly observe this. First I have 6 mangoes and subtract 2 mangoes, remain 4 mangoes. And again I have 4 mangoes and subtract these 2 mangoes and I have 2 mangoes. And again I have 2 mangoes and subtract 2 mangoes from them and shared it. I have 0 mangoes. So, if you observe these steps, I have done two steps. What are those? First, I have subtracted one step, subtraction and sharing. Subtraction and sharing. Subtraction and sharing. Okay, clear? Okay. First of all, I have done that subtraction and sharing. What is symbol for the subtraction? Do you know? Minus. Yes, subtraction symbol is minus. Subtraction symbol is minus. And the next step I have done that sharing. I have done sharing. So sharing. One it is to him, one it is to him, one it is to him, one it is to him. That sharing. What did I get here? The symbol divided by. That is nothing but divided by. So divided by is nothing but a symbol has taken from minus symbol. This is a minus symbol. And so I have subtracted and sharing. I have shared. So these 2 points indicate that sharing. I thought that this divided by might be invented like this with this idea. It might be happened. Okay, clear? And again, this symbol is also for division by by 2. We can denote it as this 2 with this symbol 2. How this symbol was came? Okay, it's very easy. This is minus symbol. Just turn this minus symbol into 45 degrees. This is minus symbol. Just turn this symbol into 45 degrees. Then we get a division symbol like this. Clear? So here I want to stress another again. What is that? As like as this plus and into has a relation between these two symbols, has a similarity these two symbols, the operations addition and multiplication has a relation. As like as this minus and divided by symbols have a similarity, as like as that subtraction and division has a relation. Clear? So division is nothing but repeated subtraction. Here I have done it. Repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction is called division. As like as that. Repeated addition. Repeated addition is called multiplication. It is very important. Just my dear friends, it is very important thing that multiplication is nothing but the repeated addition. Division is nothing but repeated subtraction. These two are very important points, my dear friends. I think that this session may give some more important and relevant information to you. I think this is very important topic to you to understand what is the multiplication and to understand what is the division. Okay, my dear friends, if you have any doubts, please call me. And I invite your ideas and your thoughts about this topic. You please give your comments in the comment section. If you like this, you please like and share this topic to our friends and family members because it will help them to understand better the concepts of multiplication and divisions. Okay, my dear friends, you please like and share. If you want to subscribe my channel, please do it. And if you have any doubt in mathematics or in concept manner, please ask me. Don't hesitate to that one. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.